Hi students, I welcome you all to this session. Today, actually we are going to discuss about the chapter 1 from your textbook, okay? What is the chapter 1? Numbers and numerations. Okay, what is the chapter 1? Numbers and numerations. Okay, numbers and numeration, take page number 6 in your textbook. First, they have given about the concept of extension of numbers. Okay, extension of numbers. Then they have given under the heading 5-digit numbers. See, in the previous class, we have learned numbers up to 9,999. Really? In previous class, which means in your third grade, you might have learned 9,999. Greatest 4-digit number you have learnt, I think so. So here, listen, next is 1 more 9 is 10, which means 1 more 9. 1 more 9 means you are going to add 1 to that 9, you will get 10. Actually, 10 is our greatest 1-digit number. Sorry, 9 is our greatest 1-digit number. If you add 1 to 9, you will get 10, which is your smallest 2-digit number. Okay, then next 1 more 99. You will get, if you add 99 to 1, you will get 100. Then if you add 1 to 9,999, you will get thousands. If you add 1 to 9,999, you will get 10,000s. Okay, so if you're adding 1 to greatest number, you will get one smallest number. Okay, so now we just see we have formed a pattern that 1 adding to a greatest 4-digit number, you will get the smallest 5-digit number. I told you, if I am adding 1 to the greatest 10-digit number, if you imagine, you will get the smallest 11-digit number. Okay, if you are adding 1 to a greatest 6-digit number, you will get smallest 7-digit number. The next smallest you will get it. Okay, this is what the pattern they are following. Okay, see here, remember that in the remember part they have given, see, 10,000 is your smallest 5-digit number, and 9,99,999 is the greatest 5-digit number. Can you just feel the difference between those two? Next, 1 lakh is the smallest 6-digit number. Okay, then 9,99,999 will be your greatest 6-digit number. Okay, see, 6-digit numbers. So 6-digit number means we know greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. That is already given there. So if you add just 1 to that, you will get smallest 6-digit number. Now you know how to convert this 5-digit number to 6-digit number. Just adding 1 to a 5-digit number, you will get the 6-digit number, which is smallest. Okay, understood this, how you should differentiate all those things? See, next example what they have given is numbers on the abacus. Here we can see one diagram like that. There we are representing the numbers, okay, using abacus. Abacus, you can find some beads, right, like that they have been used there. Okay, read the numerals and their number name shown in the abacus. See, they have given the abacus. In this, they have put some beads in each stripes. You have to count how many stripes are there, and you have to write that number, and below that their number name. Okay, in first question, see how many in the left side corner, right side corner, you can start in the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits are there, right? So I have written 6. Then 9 digit, 5 digit, 2 digits are, which means 2 strips, 2 balls are there inside. Then 3 balls are there. So how can you write that? 32,596. Okay, did you know how to write the number name, right? 32,596. So B question, see, in one place how many beads are there? 8 beads. If you count, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally 8 beads are there. Then in tens place how many beads are there? 1 bead. In 100 place how many beads are there? 0 beads. In 1000 place how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 beads are there. In 10,000 place, how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 beads are there. So totally our number is 67018. So how you will write a number name? 67,018. That's all. Okay, because 100 places 0. See, next also they have given the stripes. In that small balls are given, where ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh also it is given. So obviously our number name will be 9,99,999. Okay, how you know how to, first you have to count the balls in the strip and you have to write it. Then you have to write the number name. This is what you have to do in the abacus. Understood? These are the problems from exercise 1A. Okay, this you have to write it in your fair notes. First problem is to write the number names. Okay, the same thing you have to write exercise 1A. Then below that you should write first row letter. Write the number names like that. Below that you can write a question. This is the numeral. Okay, number means you will say it as numeral. They have given the numeral, you have to write the number names. Okay, they have given the numerals, you have to write the number names. How you would write the number names? See, first you should write the place value for every numbers. Then only you have to write the numerals. Okay, so first ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. First you have written the place value for all the numbers. Then after that you should write the number names. Now you can write it very easily like 10,000. Here all zeros, 100 place 0. Here 10 is there. So 10,000, 10. That's all. 10,000, 10 is your number name for this question. Because here 10 it is there. So 10,000. Here all zeros. 10. You can write it. Okay. Next question also you should write the place value for all those values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s. Okay. Now you are going to write the number name like 82,886. Right? 86. Here I am going to write 82,886. Okay? Did you understand how this numbers comes? Number names comes? Next. Again you are going to write ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Okay? See here. 9 lakh. 900 because 1000 place all 0. So I am writing 9 lakh 900 99. Here for 90 you can write two spellings like without E. You can write it with E also you can write it. Okay. 9 lakh 999. Understood? See, this is your second question. Actually, we are going to do write the numerals for the number names. In previous question, what we have done? They will give you the numeral, you have to write the number name. Here, number name is given, you have to write the numeral. Okay? See, 6020. First is 6020 is our number name. For that number name, you are going to write the numerals. Okay? So 6,000. So starts from 1,000. So I am writing 6,000. After 1,000, what it is in need of? Hundreds. Whether hundreds are there? No. So I am writing for 100 place 0. Next 20 for 20. That's all. After that, any other place values are there? No. So first is 6,000. then 100 place is 0, so I am writing nothing is there, so I am putting 0, then 20, 2 zeros. Okay, next. It starts from lakh, like 1,909,000. Okay, it starts from lakh. So first, what is the value? Lakh. 1 lakh, correct? 1 lakh. Next, after that, thousands. Whether any thousand things is here? No. So I am writing for both 10,000 also, 1,000 place also 0. After that, what place is there? 100 place. So here given 900. After the tens place, any 20, 30 like that, anything is there? No. So I am putting 0. Then 9. Understood? So 1,909,000. After writing this number, check once. Okay, so that you can get clear about this numerals. Okay. Now, our next question is, read the abacus and write the numeral and the number names. Okay. Here we have to write the number names. Here we have to read the abacus and write the number. So we have to read this. This is your abacus. We have to read this and you have to write the numeral. Numeral means you have to write the number. Below that you have to write the number name. This is what your question. Okay, by seeing this abacus, in ones place any numbers are there? No. So I am writing 0. Okay, in ones place no numbers are there. So I am writing 0. Next, in tens place how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am writing 4. Next, in 100 place any numbers are there? No. So what you will put? Zeros. Next, in 1000 place any numbers are there? No. So one number is there. So I am writing 1. So in 10,000 place how many numbers are there? 3. So I am writing 3. So actually you got your number, which means you got your numeral. Now what is your next question is? You have to write the number name. So how you will write? 31,000. 31,040. Because in 100 place 0, so I am writing 40. This is your number name. So now I have read the abacus and I wrote the numeral like here 31040. Now 31,040 is your answer. Okay, 31,040 is your answer. Next here listen. In 1 place 1. In tens place 4. In 100 place 2. In thousands place 5. In 10,000 place 2. Now you got your number? Yes. Now we are going to write the numeral for this. 25,241. Right? Here 25,241. Understood how this problem comes? See, this is your fourth question. In previous question, what they have given? They have given the abacus. By seeing the abacus, you have to write the number and that their names. Here, they have given the number. We have to represent them in abacus. Okay, first I will draw the abacus. See, here only 5 for 5 digits it's needed. So, we can draw 5 lines. Okay. For abacus, here only 5 digits are here. So I am drawing only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines it is needed. I am drawing. So 5 digits means how you will write the place value? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Okay. So here for ones. What is this ones place? Here also I am writing the place value. So below that I am writing as such 6, 1, 0, 3, 4. Okay, 4, 3, 0, 1, 6. Now we can put these circles. Here how many circles we needed? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next here 1. So I am writing only 1. Here 0. So I am not putting any circles. Here 3. 1, 2, 3. Here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, first what I am doing is I am seeing how many digits are there. Based upon that I am drawing the stripes. Then I am writing the place value above that. Then I am writing the place value above this numbers also. Then I am writing the numbers as such in the down. Then I am calculating the circles. See here how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 digits is it. So how many stripes you want? 6 stripes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I am drawing one box. Okay. 6 stripes is there. Now what I am going to do? You are going to write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh. Then I am going to write the place value above that number. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh. Okay. Then I am writing the number below this in the box. 5, 0, 6, 8, 0, 7. Okay. Now how many circles we want here? 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, next 0, so don't want. Next 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next 0, so don't want. Next 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now understood how to write this abacus, how to represent these numbers in abacus. Next question is write the greatest 6-digit number in figures and words. Figures means you have to write it in their numbers and their number name. Words means number names. What is the greatest 6-digit number? Greatest 6-digit number is 6 digits. So 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 digits here. So greatest 6-digit number is 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay, now I am going to segregate them in the commas 3, 2 like that. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh. Okay, now I am going to write the number names. 9 lakh, 99,000, 900, 99. Okay, understood? See here, 9 lakh 99,999. Okay, this is your greatest 6-digit number. So I wrote it in their figures. Figures means I wrote them in numbers. Then I wrote them in words. This is the words. Okay, understood? See, in this class, actually, we have learned what are few definitions which is given in the book. Then few problems. Remaining problems we will discuss in the next session. Do all the homework problems, children. Thank you.